Take a ride in the 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, hard disk drive media storage, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, security system, fog lights, convertible, trip computer, heated front seats, compass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.